Today we are talking about 5 public speaking mistakes that make you look insecure. If you want to improve your public speaking skills, if you want to speak confidently in interviews, presentations, or exams like GATE and IIT JEE, vivas, or if you struggle with stage fear and communication confidence, then this video on 5 public speaking mistakes that make you look insecure will completely change the way you speak. Because sometimes it's not your knowledge that makes you look weak, it's small communication mistakes that destroy your confidence. And the good news, once you fix these mistakes, your confidence instantly improves. Let's begin. Why public speaking confidence matters. Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen someone extremely intelligent, well prepared, knowledgeable, but the moment they speak, they look unsure, and then someone else, less knowledgeable but confident, gets more respect? That's the power of communication confidence. And competitive exams, interviews, corporate meetings, even college presentations, your confidence determines how people perceive your intelligence. You don't need perfect English, you need controlled presence. Now let's talk about the 5 mistakes. Mistake first, apologizing before you even speak. This is the most common insecurity signal. People start with I am not very good at speaking, or sorry if I make mistakes, or I am not prepared. Stop. The moment you apologize for your ability, you tell the audience, don't take me seriously. Even if your content is good, your opening destroys credibility. How to fix it? Instead of apologizing, start with clarity. Say, let me share 3 important points. Here's what I have understood about this topic. Confidence begins with your first sentence. Mistake 2. Speaking too fast. When people are nervous, they speak very fast. Why? Because the brain wants to escape the situation. But fast speech signals anxiety, lack of control, fear. Even if your words are correct, your speed creates insecurity. I once saw a student in a technical presentation, brilliant content, but he spoke so fast, nobody understood him. After the presentation, someone said he looks nervous, not unintelligent, not unprepared, nervous. That's perception damage. How to fix it? Use the power of pause. Pause after important points, before starting a new idea, when you feel rushed. Slow speech is equal to authority. Third mistake is avoiding eye contact. Looking at the floor, looking at slides, looking at walls. Avoiding eye contact screams insecurity. Eye contact signals presence, ownership, calmness. In interviews, lack of eye contact reduces trust instantly. How to fix it? Use the 3-second rule. Look at the person for 2 to 3 seconds, then move to another. If online, look at the camera, not your screen. This small change increases perceived confidence massively. Mistake 4 is overusing filler words. Like, so basically. Fillers destroy impact. Occasional fillers are normal, but constant fillers signal lack of clarity, nervous thinking, self-doubt. How to fix it? Replace fillers with silence. Instead of I think, basically, pause. Silence feels longer to you than to the audience, and silence makes you look thoughtful, not insecure. Mistake 5 is Shrinking your body language. Body language communicates more than words. Common insecure habits are shoulders down, arms folded tightly, fidgeting, avoiding gestures. Your posture tells the audience, I am not sure I belong here. Two students gave a presentation. One stood straight, minimal movement, calm gestures. The other kept shifting weight, touching face, looking down. Same content, different confidence perception. Guess who was taken seriously? How to fix it? Stand upright, keep shoulders relaxed, use natural hand gestures, plant your feet firmly. Your body must say, I deserve to be here. The real reason you look insecure. Here's something powerful. Public speaking mistakes don't start on stage, they start in your mind. If you think, what if I fail? What if they judge me? What if I forget? Your body reflects that fear. Confidence in public speaking is not about perfection, it's about comfort with imperfection. Strong speakers are not fearless, they are comfortable being seen. How to build real public speaking confidence? Let me give you a simple formula. Step first, practice speaking out loud daily, not in your head, out loud. Your brain must get used to hearing your voice confidently. Next step is record yourself. Yes, it feels uncomfortable, but awareness removes insecurity. Observe speed, fillers, posture, correct slowly. Next step is speak in small situations first. Don't wait for a big stage. Start in group discussions, in classrooms, in small meetings. Confidence grows with exposure. Next step is focus on value, not judgment. Instead of thinking, are they judging me? Think, how can I help them understand better? Service mindset removes fear. Let me tell you something important. Your voice matters, your ideas matter, your perspective matters. But if insecurity hides your voice, the world will never know your potential. Fix these 5 public speaking mistakes. Stop apologizing, slow down, maintain eye contact, remove fillers, improve posture, and your confidence will transform, not overnight but consistently. If this video on 5 public speaking mistakes that make you look insecure helped you, like this video, share it with someone preparing for interviews or exams, comment confident speaker if you are ready to improve. Subscribe for communication skills, exam guidance, career advice, motivation that actually works. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect, it's about being steady. Speak clearly, stand tall, be heard.